What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're out fishing again today. We're doing a little bit something different. We've got some live shrimp. We'll be trying to go for some sheep's head on the lighter tackle. I got my 6-foot ultra light rod, 7-foot medium heavy, Stradic 5000, and a little 4000 size reel as well. 20-pound braid and 15-pound braid. If you haven't yet, please go hit that subscribe button, comment what you want to see next, and please like this video. So let's go get some fishing done. Alright guys, so as you can see there, we've got our live shrimp. Small little tiny live shrimp, but they'll do the job. We'll see if we can't get some sheep's head or something else. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be fishing these little jig heads. Number 2, I got them in the pink, just to try and match the shrimp a little bit. Very tiny hook. The sheep's head do have very small mouths. So we're going to just take our leader and attach it to this hook. Might be a little bit light. I'm going to be trying to fish the deeper water because they're all spawning right now, so they're going to be right in those deeper pockets. Try this one. There we go. With a figure of 8 knot. Just trim that tag end. There we go. These shrimp are very lively. Try and get a decent size one over here. Jump on my hand there. All we're gonna do is gonna take him. We're gonna hook him straight through the tail there, just like that. Oh yes, guys, snook, snook. Got him. Oh, oh, oh. Did not expect this, guys. On the live shrimp, trying something new today. Couldn't get the snook on any live bait. So I'm playing very carefully, don't have a thick leader on. Get onto the rocks here, see if we can get him landed. Have to follow him in here. See if we can get him on this beach. Nice snook, nice snook. Here we go, guys. Look at that. Finally got a snook. And he might even be a slot. So we're gonna get him measured. In the corner of the mouth, a little jig head. Let's get that out. Then we'll get him measured. Right in the corner of the mouth. And look at that mouth, guys. As you can see, they can just swallow anything that comes into their path. Just swallow that whole. There we go, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. 26-inch snook. We're gonna get this one back, get him released quick. Look at that, guys. We've been searching for a snook with the live mullet the whole time. There's a cold front that rolled through, so the water cooled down a lot. I thought, let's get some live shrimp for a change. I've never fished with that really. Just got 3 dozen live shrimp, fishing for some sheep's head. And we just picked up that nice little snook, so we're gonna get some more shrimp out, and then hopefully we're gonna have a good time today. At least we have one off the board, so we at least didn't skunk today. But let's see if we can't get one that's a keeper. Let's go. There we go. On again. Look at that. Little mangrove snapper. Let's go. Beautiful colors on this fish. Look at that. Back he goes. There we go.
Oh, wow.
There we go, guys. A small snook. Nah, he's a bit small. They have to be a certain size.
It's not good eating?
They're good eating, but they have to be 27 inches and above.
Oh, sure.
There we go, guys. Another small little snook on the live shrimp, second for the day. Oh,